Traveling to the Kyrgyz Republic offers the ultimate freedom of the great outdoors, and Lake Kel-Suu, in the country's south, is among the most serene and picturesque destinations imaginable. Lake Kel-Suu, also known as Koltetere, a tranquil oasis in southern Kyrgyzstan near the Chinese border. Situated at an altitude above 3,500 meters, the location is devoid of towns, roads, and cell service. The journey from Bishkek, the capital of the Kyrgyz Republic, to Lake Kel-Suu takes approximately 10 hours by car.
The road towards Kel-Suu is very beautiful. You can see magnificent mountains, vast steppes, rivers and lakes along the way.
Naryn serves as a convenient halfway point for the journey south. Bus firms operate services along the route as far as Naryn, but from that point, it's advisable for travelers to either have a personal vehicle or engage local services to reach the Kyrgyz Valley, where a yurt camp is located. From Kyrgyz Valley to Lake Kel-Suu, the distance is around 9 kilometers. Options include hiking amid picturesque views or arranging a horse ride.
I'm riding along Kel-Suu Lake, whose original name is Pristine, which means the reverse side of the lake.
The lake's serenity transports the mind to simpler times, free from the noise and commotion of everyday life, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers.